Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to make something called Akwadu. I think I'm saying that correctly. I've seen this in my travels in Africa. I've been to East Africa, but I've not been to West Africa, which is actually where this is from originally. It's from a place called Equatorial Guinea, and they have it for breakfast and they have it for snacks, have it for your small meal, and it's called Akwadu. So I've got the ingredients. Have banana, we have the sugar, cinnamon, coconut, or grated coconut, this is orange juice, and this is melted butter. So let's get this banana open. Ooh, I'll put it on here so my wife doesn't get upset. I'm using a sizzling plate. It's good because it's got a nice handle on it, so that makes it easier to use. Oh, I'll put this one again. That's good enough. Okay, so I've got my banana, and you just put this on. Put that in there. In goes the butter. Try and get some on all of the bananas. A little bit on each. Oops. Okay, it's not exactly perfect, but this is my first time. Seems like it's my first time cooking. And then this is the cinnamon. I might just use my fingers for this because it'd be easier. There you go, it's good enough. Oops. Love coconut. One of the things I love about travelling in tropical countries, they have lots of coconut, lots of cooking, different styles of cooking with the coconut. Oh, looks different to what I saw before, but oh well. This is my first go. Oops. Alright guys, so I've put the ingredients together. I'm using gas mark 6, 200 degrees, and I'm going to put it in there for about 10 minutes until the coconut is grilled. I'm just moving it out for presentation purposes and so that it doesn't all stick together. Alright guys, I'm going to put it in the oven for 10 minutes or until the coconut's cooked. Alright guys, see you in a bit. Alright guys, so it's been cooked. It smells delicious. This is my first go, so if it's not perfect, please forgive me. And yeah, let's try it, shall we? And so, this is what they eat in Malabo, Equatorial Guinea. I'm sure they eat that in other parts of West Africa as well. But this is inspired me from and my research, because I nearly went to Ghana, you see, but I didn't go because, as you might have noticed, I'm in a wheelchair and it was rainy season when I looked to go, so weirdly enough I ended up going in Peru. But fingers crossed, one day I will make it to West Africa, and well, that would be amazing. I wanted to go to the Ashanti region, particularly of Ghana, but of course if you're going to go in Ghana, you're going to go to Nigeria, you're going to go to Benin, you're going to go all over the place and eat beautiful food like this. So let's try this. The coconut's delicious. I'm blowing on it so I don't burn myself. Wow, it's delicious.
Which country in Africa have you been?
I've been to a few. I've been to Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, Sudan, Ethiopia, but I went to Ethiopia before I went to Sudan, and I went on a separate trip to Egypt. But that's a few years ago. I'll put pictures up and you can enjoy that at the end. Where in Africa would you like to go?
Kenya.
Oh, you want to go to the Nairobi Hotel, right, with the giraffe? Yeah. Kenya's a really special place. Oh, I've got something to show you as well. I got this when I was in Tanzania. This is from a tribal area called the Chago tribe. Or Chago tribe, I think I'm saying that correctly. It's made from wood, it's one piece of wood. Because I collect things from everywhere I've been. I've been to about 40 countries. My dream is to go to every country. Delicious. Alright guys, let me know what you think of my efforts. Where did I go wrong? What did I do well? And more importantly, how do you cook yours? Until the next video, take care guys.